Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I want to recreate this hairstyle into a wig, and if you're interested in seeing how it turns out at the end, you have to stay tuned and keep watching. Let's go. So guys, this is my full-length wig made out of Kaneka long hair. So for me to get this hairstyle, first of all I have to part the hair, the fullest wig, across, part it from one point, the highest point of the ear, to the other part of the ear. So the part in the front will be for the cornrows, while the part at the back will be for the individual braids. So guys, welcome to my channel. In case you are new here, my name is Chidema, and feel free to join this family. Please don't make this video your last. Subscribe and join this amazing channel for more content like this. In this channel I create amazing tips, wig making tips and things like that. And for you, my old subscribers, thank you very much for coming back. I really appreciate your time, your support. So this is what the fullest wig looks like. As you can see, this is pure 100% Kaneka long, that's synthetic hair. So after partitioning the fullest wig, I will start doing the individuals. For the individuals, I used knotless braid method for the individual braids. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, oh. So after making the knotless braids at the back, this is what they look like. This is the pattern. This is what the knotless braids look like. So see how neat and clean the parts are. So bringing it out from my mannequin head so you can see it very well. See how natural and realistic the knotless braids look like. Okay guys, I'll proceed to making the front, that's the feed in braids. First of all, I'll bring out the baby hairs for the hair. To get this style, I will start by parting the hair in the middle. From there we can take it up from there. Most of this time, for you to get them, part your hair from the middle. And after parting the hair from the middle, I will go off camera because I still notice that it's difficult. Not even I noticed, it's difficult to get the angles while filming this tutorial. So I have to go off camera to pre-section the hair, pre-section and pre-braid the hair. Then I'll come back, kind of pre-sketching your work. Then I'll come back and show you what the pre-sectioning and pre-braiding looks like before I proceed to the main braiding. This is me trying to part the hair
in the style I want it to be. So it's so hard filming and working and filming, especially when you are a 1 month crew. Yeah, I'll go off camera after now to do the pre-sectioning and pre-braiding, then come back here and show you the real work. So this is what the hair looks like after pre-sectioning and pre-braiding. I just pre-sectioned and pre-braided it how I want the style or the style to be, yeah, to know if I am getting the point. I don't want a situation whereby after braiding the hair you notice that you did not get the exact style. So that's why I pre-braided it this way, to see if I'm getting the style before I proceed to the main braids work. So guys, I will allow you guys to watch me as I braid this pre-section parts, and I hope to see you guys again. I'll come back and talk to you guys again. Please keep watching, and if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to hit the like button. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to watch till the end so that you'll be able to rate this work, to tell me if I modeled that hairstyle I showed in the beginning or not. Please don't go anywhere. Keep watching, and I will come back again and talk to you guys.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most.
So guys, this is what the wig is looking like so far. I'll go ahead and braid this part I'm pointing at, braid the part by the side, then go off camera to do the other side. I'll quickly show you guys how I part this part, the lower part of the the side part of the braids. Then after braiding that, I will go off camera. This is what this side looks like. As you can see, the customer asked me to add little blunt by the side of the braid. Then I'll go off camera and do this part, then come back and show you the middle part. So this is after making both sides. I will quickly show you guys how I connected the braids in the middle.
When I can't seem to get out, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So for the middle, I created like 5 cornrows and then join the 5 cornrows to make one big. It has one feed-in braid in the middle. That's what I did in the middle part of the, or that's what you are seeing me do in this video right now, to the middle part of the wig.
Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you.
So guys, this is the wig so far. This is what it looks like. Then I will proceed to adding the blonde at the middle, because I want, because my customer wants an ombre effect. She wants me to add she asked me to add blonde at the middle of the braid. So this is what I'm doing right now, adding the blonde. As you can see that I'm adding the hair, the blonde, little by little till I get the desired size and length I want. Then after this time, I will go off camera to trim and dip the hair in hot water. Then I will come back and show you guys the finished look. So guys, this is what this wig is looking like on my mannequin head. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you guys think. Comment what you think about this wig in the comment section. And this is what the middle of the hair, that's the individual braids, look like. So guys, in case you're interested in this wig is for a customer, but it can be created in any color, any length. If in case you're interested in this wig or any type of wig, so please check the description box, the column that says to order a wig. My contact will be there. So guys, this is what the wig looks like on the mannequin head. I will quickly show you what it looks like on my head, because a lot of you are asking me, Chidima, we want to see what your wig looked like, your wigs look like on human head. So you know, these wigs are made for customers, but I will quickly show you what it looks like on my own head. But I'm not going to customize or do any, just to throw it on my head. And again, for you to get exact, for you to want this wig to look flat, make sure that you braid your hair under the wig in a flat cornrows. So this is me holding the wig, showing you what it looks like, what the inside of the wig looks like. Yeah, and the fullest wig comes with an adjustable strap. You can adjust it if it is a little bit bigger for your head. You can adjust it to suit your head size. And this is it. I did not do much because this wig is not mine. I just want to show you, for those that want to know what my wigs look like on human hair. This is what this wig is looking like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, share, comment and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.